Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and we've been experiencing some extremely cold weather here in the eastern part of Virginia. We're in central Virginia, and our friends at the east coast, Outer Banks where we used to live, have just gotten anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snow. And they're cold, so it was 4 degrees here this morning. So we wanted some lobster, just thinking about warm weather. Well, Marcia went by and got us some codfish. Everybody likes codfish, it's a great fish. We're going to show you how to make it taste like lobster. We're going to start out with about a gallon of water boiling. We're going to take this over. We've got a cup of sugar and a lemon. We're going to slice up a few pieces of lemon. And that's going to work good with alternate texture of this fish. Okay. We're going to go over. And the water's on the stove. About a gallon, I said. Dump in our sugar, our lemon. We're going to stir it all up good. And let that come to a raging boil. Then we're going to show you what we do with our fish. So we'll be right back and show you what we're going to wind up doing. Okay, while my water's boiling, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with our nice fresh fish. Isn't that a beautiful fillet? She got that at Harris Teeter. Okay, we're going to cut it up in about inch strips, chunk strips. I'm looking forward to this. I'm tired of the holiday turkey, ham. Well, you get kind of tired of eating anything too much. Good, nice flaky white fish. You could use halibut. That's not as easily gotten around here. So we're using codfish. What we're going to wind up doing is we're going to be poaching it. It's going to be very interesting. Marcia's a little skeptic of me here. But I told her she's going to say, oh. And I'm going to say, I told you so. So we got it all nice cut up. We've patted it dry, so it's ready to go into the water as soon as it gets boiling. And we'll show you what's going on then. Okay, it's not quite boiling yet, but it's getting right ready to. And I'm going to dump a tablespoonful of Old Bay seasoning in it and let that boil up in it. And stir that, because once you start cooking your fish, you don't do any stirring. So we got our sugar, our lemon, and our Old Bay to work on the texture and the flavor of our fish. So we'll be right back when we get ready to put the fish in when it's at a rolling boil. Okay, we had a good rolling boil here. Now we're going to start dropping our fish in. They'll sink onto the bottom. And once you do not stir, once this is in here. And then it's going to take it a little bit to come back to a boil, because this cold fish is dropping the temperature of it. And then it'll come back to a boil, and when they float, you get them out. They're ready to go. So now we're just going to wait until it gets back to boiling, and we'll show you when they're floating. Okay, you saw we got all the fish in. Now we're going to melt some butter. These are the little cups we melt our butter in. We're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and get our butter melted to pour over when it comes out. Okay, they're starting to float now. And we're going to start getting them out. I didn't count how many we had. I'm going to put them on this paper towel to drain the water off of them. You can put them on different things to drain it. It's pretty amazing. Poached fish, at least it's healthy until you put the butter on. Beautiful white fish. So we'll come back after we get them all out. Okay, we got them all out. This was about 1.5 pounds, no, half a pound of fish, I'm sorry. We're going to pour butter on it. I microwaved it too much and made a mess, so Marcia will be fussing at me. Okay. We're going to lightly sprinkle a little bit of Old Bay. Okay, now we got it in the bowl. We're going to squeeze a little bit of that lemon on it that we had left over. Now we're gonna let you listen to Marcia, background noise, tasting the piece.
It's delicious. Here you go. Just like lobster. It's very good.
So try this and you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to us. Until next time, if you have any questions, email us at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com. Thank you.